Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming access. Sign into Google Ads and open your GTM container. You need edit permissions to create tags. Once done, ensure the GTM snippet is live on every page and enter preview to confirm firing. Next, enable auto-tagging inside Google Ads so click ID pass-through. This makes remarketing and conversions accurate. Finally, identify or create the Google Ads conversion actions you plan to track so you can map them to GTM tags during the. Now you build the conversion tag inside GTM. Add a new tag, select Google Ads conversion tracking, and paste the conversion ID and label from Google Ads. Then attach a trigger. Use a page view trigger for thank you pages, a click trigger for button conversions, or a custom event trigger if your app pushes data layer events. Make sure to push transaction amounts or ID into data layer on the confirmation page. This lets you pass dynamic values and matches conversions to the right ads actions. Finally, test thoroughly. Use GTM Preview and Google Tag Assistant to confirm the conversion tag fires and that gclid or conversion value is present. Once validated, publish your GTM container, then monitor Google Ads for imported conversions. Expect them to appear within 24 to 48 hours. If you see no conversions, troubleshoot. Make sure the trigger conditions match real user flows, verify data layer variable names and values, and confirm auto-tagging is intact, so gclid is not stripped by redirects or URL sanitizers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.